Right, now we are looking at 41 to 45. Table given below shows the number of ballpoint pens sold by 5 stores, ratio the number of ballpoint pens to gel pens. Here ratio given here ratio given ballpoint pens to gel pens ballpoint to gel pens, and the total ballpoint pen sold store A 180 ratio of ballpoint pen to gel pens here what careful this information not told by it was saying only ballpoint pens it was indicating only ballpoint pens, nothing but these 9 parts this first one 9 parts is equals to 180 in that way we should observe it was not total pens it is ballpoint pens only, but the ratio is ballpoint to gel pen that should be careful right, now 41 find the ratio of the total gel pens question asking ratio, find the ratio of the total gel pens sold by store C and D together, gel pens sold by store A asking about gel pens, but we know about ballpoint pens C gel pens C regarding C 4 parts is equals to 220 this 4 parts is 220, then one part will be 55 55 plus D regarding D 3 parts 3 parts is 240 one part will be 80 one part will be 80 so that is my 80, 55 plus 80 is 2 gel pens of A gel pens of A, that means 9 parts 9 parts 180 one part will be 20, 25 100 100, 55 plus 80 135 is 200 nothing but 520s 527 what is the ratio 27 to 20 nothing but option C, option C right next 42 total gel pens sold by store E is what percent of, is what percent of whenever is term is and of is by of into 100 right total gel pen sold by store E is what percent of gel pen sold by store B E by B E by regarding E 3 parts 270 one part will be 90, 2 parts 180 by B regarding B 6 parts 360 if 6 parts is 360 one part will be 60, 65 300 because gel pens 300, 180 by 300 into 100 the simple one 3 6 times 60 percentage nothing but option E, option E next 43 if the selling price of one ballpoint pen one ballpoint pen is 5 rupees and that of one gel pen is 8 rupees ball pen 5 rupees gel pen is 8 rupees, question asking find the total revenue generated by store C, from store C how much revenue we got store C these are 220 ballpoint pens, each ballpoint pen 5 rupees so 220 into 5 plus gel pens 55 each one 8 rupees 55 into 8 220 into 22 5 110 nothing but 1100 it is 1100 and 440 nothing but 1540 1540 nothing but option C, option C right next 44 find the average number of gel pens sold by store A average of gel pens sold A and E regarding A 9 parts 180 means one part is 20, 5 parts will be 100 E 3 parts 270 one part will be 90, 2 parts ante 180 so 100 plus 80 by 2 sorry to 180 180 so 100 plus 180 280 by 2 but 140 140 option B, option B next 45 45 if out of total gel pens sold by store B and C gel pens store B and C 40% and 20 pens are given back returned respectively by customers due to not working, then find the total number of actual pens sold by B and C together here actual pen means ballpoint pens as well as gel pens so overall together how much here returned only gel pens are written ballpoints are not written so regarding B regarding B how many ballpoint pens 360 that is clear as it is plus gel pens 6 parts 360 means 1 part 60 5 parts will be 3 this is equal to 300 but in that 40 percentage are written That means 60% balance. 60% of 300 nothing but 180. Regarding C, ballpoint same as it is. What the ballpoint pens 220. Four parts is 220 and one part 55. It is 55 but in that 20% are returned and 5 and 11 return both the balance in 44 will be balance 44. Question asking what is the total of this what is the total 3 plus 1 4 480 480 540 560 760 804. Otherwise 804 last digit 4 is there but two so many options are there 804 804 right next. First equation x power 4 256 nothing but so 256 is the 4 power 4 value x equals to either plus 4 or minus 4 x should be either plus 4 or minus 4. Whenever cube root only positive we can consider y equals to exactly 4. It is plus or but that is only plus obviously x is greater than or equal if it is negative that means greater sorry x is 4 x is 4 4 whenever both are 4 equal whenever minus 4 lesser than so obviously x is less than or equals to y. Sorry x is less than or equals to y. Nothing but option D. Option D. Next. 47 x square plus 23x plus 132 equals 0 132 12 x values 12 and 11 nothing but x values minus 12 and minus 11 66 11 6 minus 11 minus 6 y values minus 11 and minus 12 compared to both lesser only minus 11 equal as well as lesser so obviously same earlier like x is less than or equals to y. Nothing but option D. Option D right next. X square minus 13x plus 42 42 nothing but 6 7 42 but to get minus 30 minus 6 minus 7 and obviously x values positives 6 and 7 y values 56 and 10 7 8 minus 7 minus 8 nothing but 7 and 8. 6 is compared to both lesser 7 is lesser as well as equal same x is less than or equals to y. Nothing but option D. Option D right next. 49 x square is 121 whenever square you will get the plus minus that means x equals to plus 11 or minus 11. 143 like 11 12 sorry 143 11 12 we can't get 143 will get 12 13 11s 13 11s is 143 13 10s 130 plus 13 11s 143 but we have to get plus 2 that means this should be plus this should be minus but values are y equals to minus 13 plus 11 no option minus 13 plus 11 plus 11 means compared to this greater compared to that equal greater equal minus 11 compared to minus 13 minus 13 greater and compared to 11 minus 11 is lesser so greater lesser both symbols are getting so we can't see the relation cannot be established. Nothing but option E no relation no relation. Next. 50 96 you will get 12 8s 12 plus 8 20 also so minus 12 minus 8 nothing but x equals to 12 and 8. 192 192 you will get where 192 6 14 14 1 the 14 52 we can't get but 13 we can't get 12 16 12 1 the 12 70 to 12 6 12 16 160 32 right 12 and 16 suitable pair but we have to get the minus 28 minus 12 minus 16 nothing but y values 12 and 16. When 12 both equal when or 12 compared to 16 lesser one 8 anyway lesser only so obviously x is less than or equals to y x less than or equals to y. Nothing but option D. Option D x is less than or equals to y right next. Here what approximate value not exact approximate is given right now here fifth root of 64.0 take it as 64, nothing but that is 4 ma. Here 576 ma, 576 24. So 24 minus 4 ma, 24 minus 4 becomes as ma 20 ma. So 24 minus 4 becomes as ma 20. So 2880 ma, take it as ma 2880 by question mark is equals to plus 4 minus ma 20. 0 cancel ma 144, but question mark square is given ma. So 144 is nothing but ma 12 square. So obviously b value ma 12. Next, right ma, next 45.9 ma, take it as 45 ma, take it as 45. This one take it as ma 45. Here ma 460 by 4 ma, 460 by 4 nothing but ma 115. It is 115. 115 minus 45 ma, nothing but 70. 70. So it is, we can take it as ma 20. So 20% of something is equals to 70 ma. 20% of something equals 70 ma. So by 20% we can take it as ma 1 by 5. In that way we can get. Otherwise ma, in which option 20% is 70? Our current approach ma. Here ma 20% is 50, not suitable. 20% is 90, not suitable. 20% 80, not suitable. 20% ma 70. Obviously 350. Otherwise directly 20% nothing but 1/5 ma. By 5 becomes ma into. In that way also we can get the answer ma. Right ma? Now here ma 4.01 par ma. So 4.0 roughly take it as ma 4. Roughly it was take it as 4. It is ma 15.9 to nothing but ma 16 square ma. 16 square ma, it is 256 by here fourth root of 16 ma. 0.01 neglect that. 16 is the 2 par 4 value ma. So it is 2. It is 2 ma. Nothing but it is 140, sorry, 128 with 2 ma 128 ma 64. 4 power how much is 64 ma? 4 cube is 64. So question mark value ma 3. Next ma, here ma 3.99 ma, roughly take it as 4. 7.9 nothing but 8. 8 cube is ma 512. This one 512 ma. If you cancel with 4 ma, 4 ones, 4 2 8, 32 4 8 ma, 128 ma, 128. So plus it is 120 plus 120 becomes as minus 120 minus 120 8 pa. So question mark cube is equals to 8. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So option C. Right pa? Option C. Next pa. 55. Here ma 108.0 ma, keep it is 108 ma. Take it as ma, it is 108 round value. 40.0 ma, take it as ma 40% of 250. 40%, 10% is 25. 40% 100 ma, plus 100 becomes as minus 100. That means how much balance? 8 will balance, but that side only 8 will balance. 144, that 8 becomes as ma by, and the ma 8 ones 8 8s 18 8 ma. So option D. Option D, right ma. Next 56th ma, question mark q plus 412 minus 206, but take it as ma 206. 412 minus 206 ma, nothing but same 206 will balance because half of that pa. So plus 206 becomes as ma minus. So 550 minus 206 ma, nothing but 344. 344 is, but question mark cube asking ma, question mark cube. Yes, that ma 343 is a 7 cube value. So it is 7 cube ma. Option B. Next. Here ma, take it as ma this one 480. 480 ma. That is ma 108. 18.01 nothing but 18 square ma 324. So it is 324 minus 108 nothing but 216. So 216. So in 480 ma, how much percent equal to 216 ma? In 480 how much percent equal to 216 ma? 6 roughly ma. So take the 30% ma. 30% nearly 150 also ma. It's not, 30 is not suitable. Go for 35% ma. 30% ma 48 3 times 40. 120 plus 24 ma 144 plus 5% 20 ma. Results are not suitable. By mistake ma, same options are there. Right ma. Option D. Option of 45% ma. 48 4 ma 160 plus 32 ma 192. Again 5% means 24. 6 19 plus 2 ma 21. Obviously how much percentage ma 45% ma 45 percentage ma, right ma. Next 7.99 nothing but ma take it as my 8 cube ma, it is 512. 14 into 20 ma round off ma take it as ma 20. 20 into 14 ma 280 minus becomes ma 512 minus 280 ma అంటే 232. ఆప్షన్ ఏ మా 230. నెక్స్ట్ root 255 ma roughly 256 is 16 square value ma, so 16. 39.9 ma take it as 40 percentage. 40% అంటే 10% ma 36 roughly ma 36 4 times ma 120 and 24 అంటే 144. 144 plus 16 ma 160. Nothing but option E. Option E ma 160. Next 11.01 ma take it as ma 11 square 121. This is 121 ma. 23 square ma 529. It is ma 800. Round of 800 take it as ma. So 520 ma 5 6 650 ma 650 becomes as minus 800 minus 650 ma 150. అంటే ఆప్షన్ సి మా, right ma, option C ma 150. Next now 61 ma, a bag contains 4 red balls and 7 blue balls. If 2 balls are taken from the bag ma, 2 balls are taken from the bag, then find the probability at least one should be red ma. From 4 red and 7 one taken 2 balls ma, taken 2 balls, condition ma at least one should be red ma, at least one should be rendered, maybe 1 red or 2 red, but 2 should not be blue color ma. So 1 red undachchu, 2 reds undachchu, but all the 2 should not be blue color. So 1 minus 2 blue color, that case we should subtract ma. 1 minus 2 blue color అంటే ma 7c2 by overall ma 4 plus 7 ma 11c2. 1 minus 2 should not be both blue color ma, so it is ma 11c2 becomes as into ma 11c2 means ma 2 steps reduced by 2 factorial ma, nothing but 11 into 10 ma 110 by 2. 7 into 6 ma 42 by 2. Same ma 110 by 2. Anyway this 2 will get cancelled ma. 110 minus 42 ma 58. 68 by 110 ma 68 by 110. Options 55. Anyway it is 55. 2 5 times 234 and option B ma, option B. 1 minus 2 should not be the blue color ma, right ma. Next, if the ratio of height and radius of a cone is 6:7, height and radius and the volume of the cone is 784 pi, then find the slant height of the cone ma, slant height ma. So basically he was given ma cone volume ma, cone volume ma 1 by 3 pi r square h ma, 1 by 3 pi r square. Here ma r is 7 ma, 7 square nothing but it is 49 into 6 ma, that is ma 7x 6x అనుకుంటే ma, so it is x square ma, that is x overall x cube ma, that means 49 into 6 into x cube is equals to 784 pi. Anyway this pi will gets cancelled, no need to write the pi ma, but it gets cancelled also. Here ma still we can cancel ma 49 6 7 1, we can cancel ma 7 sevens 7 1 7 1 7 2s ma, 7 1s 42 ma 7 6 16 ma 3 2s 2 8s nothing but ma x equals to x cube is 8 nothing but x equals to 2. X is 2 ma, if x is 2 ma this is 12, it is 14. 12 and 14, but the question asking ma what is the slant height ma. So in cone already we learned in the regular class ma, in cone it is called ma slant height ma, slant height ma, that is nothing but hypotenuse of right angle triangle ma. So L square equal to R square plus H square ma, L is equal to under root of R square plus H square ma. 144 plus 196 ma, 144 196 ma, 150 190 and 8 like 340. 4 8s 32 20 ma, 4 8s are like we can write ma 2 root 85 ma. 144, sorry, 144 and 196 ma. 196, 200, 340 ma. 340 ma, we can break it as ma 2 root 85. Option A ma. Option A. Next. A is 25% more efficient than B and he completes a task in 36 days ma. If C alone can complete the same task in 30 days, find the A, B, C together can complete the same task in how many days ma? A is 25% more efficient than B is. If B is 100% ma, A will be 125%. Nothing but ma, A and B efficiency ratio ma 5 is to 4. A and B efficient 5 4. And A is 25% more efficient than B and he completes the task in 36 days ma. So A was taking ma 36 days ma. With 5 efficiency, he can complete the work in 36 days. That means total work is 5 into 36 ma, nothing but 180 units. Total work is 180 units ma. Now same work ma C can complete in how many days ma? 30 days. And his efficiency ma 36 times ma, his efficiency will be 6. But question asking all together will finish the work in how many days ma? All together means total work is 180. All together ma 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 ma 15. So with 15 ma 12 times. So entirely they can finish the work in ma 12 days. Option D ma 12 days. Next. 64. A man invested rupees P and P plus 350 each at the rate of 20% per annum compound interest and simple. First one is compound, second one is simple. Right, ma? For 2 years duration. Ma. If the ratio of the compound to simple received by man is 44 is to 75, then find the amount invested on simple. Question asking amount invested at simple interest. Ma. Simple interest nothing but ma, question asking what is this? What is this one? Second one, because first one it compound, second one it simple ma. What is P plus 350 ma? So by approaching general method we can follow ma, otherwise ma we can follow by options verification ma. As per options ma, what is the first option ma? 750. That means if P plus 350 ma, this thing is equals to 750, then what is P will be how much ma? 400. P will be 4. So at compound interest invested 400 rupees, at simple interest invested ma 400 plus 350 ma 750 rupees. Shall we see now? He was saying that the ratio between both of that 44, are you getting or not ma? 20 percentage 2 years and appudu compound ma 20 plus 20 20 in 20 by 100, nothing but 44 percentage. So on this interest is 44% of 400 by simplest ma every 20% 2 years ki 40% ma, so 40 percentage of 750. Just check that are you getting this ratio or not? If you are getting, that is the answer, right ma. See, anyway this percent will get cancelled ma, these two zeros will get cancelled, 4 also gets cancelled, 44 75 balance. So obviously ratio is clear ma. So obviously which option ma? Option A is the your answer ma, right ma. Next. 65. A shopkeeper marked up an article 60% above the cost price and sell it at 960 after allowing a discount of 25 percentage. Find the market price of article if the profit of the shopkeeper is 160 ma. For example ma, cost price, mark price, sale price ma. He was marked up above the cost price ma, he was 60% above marked, and after that he was given ma 25% discount also given ma. In that transaction ma, in this transaction ma, his profit is how many rupees ma? 160. In this transaction ma, profit is 160 rupees. Question asking what is the mark price? This thing is asking what is mark price ma. For example ma, if it is 100, it should be 160. 25% discount, nothing but ma 1/4, 40 discount, both of them balance at the ma 120. So if cost price is 100 ma, sale price will be 120. That means what is the profit ma? 20. As per assumption, profit is 20. As per problem ma 160. So 20 is equals to 160. But question asking not cost price, question asking what is the mark price? This thing we require. Then what is 160 ma? If 20 is 160, then 160 will be how much? Observe carefully ma, 8 times. If it is 8 times, so it is also 8 times. 8 is ma 16 8s ma, 16 8s ma 128. Option C ma, Option C ma 128 ma. Right ma. Next 66 to 70 ma number series ma. 12, 28, 60, 124, 252, 506, 1020 ma. Here ma 12 we can write ma into 2, 24 plus 4 we can write 28 into 2 ma 56 plus 4 into 2 plus 4 here also 124 into 2 ma 248 plus 4 here also ma 252 into 2 ma 504 plus 4 it is wrong number ma because 252 into 2 ma 504 plus 4 ma nothing but 508 ma but 506 is there ma so obviously 506 is wrong answer right ma next ma 5 18 34 54 79 110 158 all the numbers ma nearby only just see the difference here ma difference 13 16 20 5 25 80 ante 20 30 31 21 31 110 148 ma 48 ma 13 16 ma if you observe here difference second difference ma 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 next should be 7 ma 31 plus 7 ma it should be 38 ma that means it is a wrong number ma 158 is a wrong number right ma next 8 48 49 60 2400 5760 and 5760 these both are same ma here ma starting with 8 ma went to 5760 ma here ma we can write it is into 6 we can write ma into 5 into 4 this should be into 3 960 into 3 ma 27 above you will get ma so 24008 the wrong number ma that is wrong because into 6 ma into 5 into 4 into 3 ma 27 that is should be 2880 ma. If it is 2880 ma that will correct ma so obviously 2400 wrong number option D right ma next ma 64 58 66 62 68 64 70 ma now if you observe ma all the numbers are nearby each other only ma take the difference here ma plus 6 minus 4 plus 6 minus 4 6 8 minus 64 and minus 6 ma here ma if you observe for back ma plus 6 minus 4 plus 6 minus 4 that means it should be plus 6 it should be minus 4 64 minus 4 ma 60 if it is 60 ma 60 plus 6 ma 66 is clear that means obviously 58 is wrong number 58 option B right ma next 70 ma 19 28 39 52 67 84 102 ma 19 28 ma this one we can write as ma 19 28 39 if you take difference ma difference is 1 cube 2 19 plus 9 ma here 9 difference 28 and 11 difference ma 40 13 difference 9 11 13 15 difference ma 67 and 84 ma 70 14 17 difference here ma if you observe difference ma 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 ma, odd numbers ma. So next year difference should be 19. 84 plus 9 ma, 18, 99, 103 ma. So it is wrong number because the difference is ma odd numbers ma, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. In such case ma, 102 is wrong number ma. Option B. Option B. Right pa. Next. 71 ma. Two vessels A and B contain mixture of milk and water in the ratio 5 to 3 and 5 to 7 respectively. If the ratio of quantity of mixture vessel A and B is 4 is to 3 ma, at both mixed together, then find the ratio of milk to water in the resulting one. Both are mixing together ma, after that ma. So yes ma, we should find the ratio between milk to water ma. Milk to water. From the first can ma, how many parts milk we are getting? 5 parts milk out of 8 parts ma. From first can milk is 5 part out of 8 parts from 4 liters, nothing but 4 parts, plus from second can ma, from second can how many parts milk ma? 5 parts out of 12 parts, 5 out of 12 parts from 3. In the same way ma, that's I write about ma water ma. So here ma, water we can write ma 3 out of 8 from 4. Second one ma 7 out of 12 from 3. Now here ma, we can cancel this one as 3 fours, 2 twos, 2 fours. I am keeping my denominator same. 2 twos, 2 fours, 3 fours. All denominators are same because whenever denominators are same, we can cancel very easily. Here ma, it becomes 5 twos at 10 plus 5 ma, 10 plus 5 15. 6 plus 7 ma 13. 15 is to 13, nothing but ma option B. By taking first one also we'll get the idea ma, because when you are getting 15 ma, 15 is starting with 15, only one option is there ma. In that way also we can indicate. Next. A and B entered into partnership. A and B entered into partnership. B invested 4,000 rupees more than A. B was 4,000 more than A. After 6 months, B left the business and C joined the business with a capital of 6,000. If at the end of the 1 year from the beginning ratio of the profit shares of A, B, C is 8 is to 6 is to 3, then find the amount invested by B. Question asking what is the amount invested by B ma. B investment asking ma. We can follow step by step method ma. Otherwise we can follow by option verification also. As per option verification ma, if you observe ma, our options are indicating ma B investment. This is as per first option, B's investment is 6,000 ma. But the question is saying ma A and B both are ma, B invested 4,000 more than A. So if B is 16 ma, A investment will be 12. B will be 16. But B left the business ma. After 6 months, B left the business. That means for only 6 months ma. So it is 16 into 6 ma. It is 12 into 12. Regarding C ma, C was joined. B left and C was joined with 6,000 ma. 3 zeros ma, everywhere common cancel ma. Balance 6 into balance you will stay for 6 months ma. Just check that are you getting the ratio 8 is to 6 is to. If you are getting the ratio 86 to 3 ma, that is otherwise go for next option ma. So if you observe ma, it is 6 anyway, 6 twos ma cancel, 2 threes, 2 eights ma. Here we are getting 3 okay, but here we are getting 8 ma, but we are getting 6. That means option A not suitable ma. So leave the option A. Go for option B ma. As per this ma, if B is 8,000 into 6, he will be 6 into 6 same. And A was ma, B 4,000 more than A. If it is 8,000 ma, A will be 4,000 only. That 4 into 12 months. 12 months ma. Now check it ma. 6, 6, 6 twos ma. Here ma, 2 threes, 2 4, 3 okay, but here waiting 4 ma. But we require 6 ma. So second option also not suitable ma. Go for third option ma. As per third option ma, 12,000 B value ma. If it is 12 ma, this should be 8 into 12 into 6. Here ma, 6 into 6. Anyway 6, 6, 6 twos ma. Here 2 threes, 2 6 ma. 3 and 6 okay. If it is 8 ma, 2 threes, 2 6, 2 ones ma. So 8, 6, 3 ma. 8 is 6 is 3 ma. Clearly satisfied ma. Option C ma. Option C. We can approach normal method ma. Otherwise instead of that ma, by following the option verification ma, you can right ma. Next. Average of series of 6 successive even numbers ma. Successive nothing but continuous even numbers. Average is how much you were saying ma? 29. Here ma, 1 2 3 4 6 continuous given, so their average is 29 ma. So whenever these kind of questions are given ma, average 20, but these are which numbers ma? Even numbers ma. So nearest to 29, what are the even numbers ma? Take the one is backside, one is next side ma. So 28 and 30, those will becomes middle numbers. Those will becomes as middle numbers ma. So it is 28, it is 30. So next should be 32, 34. It is ma 26 and 24. These are the even numbers. But we require not this mark. What is the question asking? A question. Then find the average of first, third, fifth. First one, third one. These numbers average ma 20, 40, 70, 84 by 3. 84 by 3, nothing but ma 28. Option A ma 28 ma option A. Next. Ratio between the income and expenditure of Ayush. Income and expenditure ratio of Ayush is 15:6. If the income is increased by 20% and 33 income of Ayush increased by 20% and 33 1 by 3% in two successive years. Successive nothing but continuous years, and expenditure remains same. His savings increased by 18,000 rupees. Find the new income of Ayush. If you observe carefully here, income expenses what are the ratio ma 15:6. First year income is increasing by 20%. What is 20% of this thing ma 10%, 1.5, 20% is 3, additional 3, and how much ma 18. Next year 33 1 by 3% ma nothing but one third is increased. What is the one third of this ma 6, 18 plus 6 ma 24. This expenditure is same. It was same because you are saying my expenditure is remains same. Now the question asking one more two. Saving is increasing by 18,000 ma. Initially what is the saving ma? 15 income was say 6 ఖర్చు పోయిందమ్మా. What is the saving ma? 11. 15 minus 6 ma 9. Initial saving is 9. Now saving is how much ma? 24 was say 6 expenditure ma 24 minus 6 how much ma 18. So initial expense is initial saving is 9. Now saving is 18. And how much extra ma? 9. As per our assumption 9 extra. But as per problem, how much extra ma? 18,000. So 9 is equals to 18,000 rupees ma. 9 equals to 18,000 rupees. One part is 2,000. The question asking ma, what is the new income of Ayush? New income nothing but 24. If 9 is 18,000 ma, 24 will be how much? 9 2s. So 24 2s ma 48. 48 and option E ma. Option E ma 48,000. Right ma? Next. 75 ma. Distance between A and B 700 kilometers ma, and speed of the car is 33 1 by 3% more than the speed of the bus ma. Here ma bus and car ma. Car speed is 33 1 by 3% more than. If it is 100% ma, that will be 133.33. 400 by 3 ma. Obviously the speeds ratio will be 3:4. One third extra. If it is 3 that should be 4. It is given in such a speed ratio 3:4. And if bus starts from A towards to B and same time car starts from B towards to A, then meet after 2 hours ma. After 2 hours they are meeting ma. Question asking find the total distance covered by a car. What is a car distance asking ma? Both are started same time and both are approaching towards each other. They met after 2 hours ma. So in the both the person, sorry, in the both the vehicles ma, time duration is same. So time is no need ma. Time is so whenever timings are equal, just take the timings are equal ma. Right ma? Because both are traveling after 2 hours only. They met accident ma. So sorry, they met ma. So here ma, in both cases ma, time is same. That thing be clear. Find the total distance covered by the car. Now, general by assumption of x we can get. Otherwise, ma, we can go through option. If we go through option wise, ma, as per first option, what is the car distance ma? 480 ma. If car bus, if distance car is 480, bus will be 220. Because what is the total distance ma? Because the total distance is 700. Right ma. Both the case time is same na. That means we have to get the ratio 1:1 ma. Just to take the ratio of timings. If it is 1:1, that is clear. What is the time distance by speed? 220 by 3. 480 by 4. Can you get from 1:1? Here 4 120 times. It is not 120. So first option not suitable. Go for next option ma. What is next option ma? 400. If car distance is 400, bus distance will be 300. because total distance 7 ma. Speed is 4, speed is 3. Can you get 1:1 ratio? See that 100 times 100 times, clearly 1:1 ratio because timings are equal. So obviously which option satisfying? Option B. Option B satisfying the condition. Right? Next. 76 to 80. Study the graph carefully to answer the questions. Number of appeared candidates and passed appear and passed information in hundreds. In hundreds. Test here blue color appear this orange color is passed right? Now first one 76 one is, what is the difference? What is the difference between the number of candidates appear from BCDF together and candidates passed from AEG together? Appear BCDF, appear nothing but blue one BCDF, B10, sorry blue color 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 15 36, 36 plus 6 42 so B 14, C is 7 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 12 21, 31 33, 33 plus 6 39. Next and number of candidates passed from AEG to passed nothing but orange color AEG 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 A passed is 12, E is 12, G is 5. 12 plus 12 plus 5 29. 39, 29 difference is 10, but data given hundreds 10 hundreds nothing but 1000. Option C. Right. Next. 77 what is the average number of candidates passed from all the institutes? Question asking average of passed passed nothing but orange one 12, 22, 26, 30, 42, 44, 49. 49 by how many 7? 49 by 7 nothing but 7. Data given in hundreds so obvious answer is 700. Right next. 78 number of candidates passed from institution C and E together is approximately what percent of? Here is what percent of, nothing but is by of into 100 so candidates passed from C and E C and E passed orange one C 4, E is 12, 4 plus 12 16 by total number of candidates appear from A and G appear blue color A and G A 13 plus 11 24. 16 by 24 nothing but 8 2 8 2 third. 1 third is 33.33 2 third means 66.66. 66.66 nothing but 67. Approximately 67. Right next. 79 from which institution the difference between the number of appeared candidates and passed candidates maximum? Appear and passed difference should be maximum. Just observe the graph carefully observe the graph carefully. Where is the maximum difference very least difference, very least difference. Here the maximum difference is here max difference is there, max difference so that is in which where D just observe carefully next. 80 what is the respective ratio between the number of candidates who have failed from institution B and to the number of candidates who have appeared from F? Ratio between failed of B appear 14, 10% failed 4 and candidates who have appeared from F appear of F appear blue one F 6. 4:6 nothing but 2:3. Option B 2:3.